So hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while since we've done an update, so today I wanted to catch up with all of you and talk about where azdrone.net is at right now. I've been missing here and there, but we're trying to rectify that now. So here we go. Over the last few months, we've been picking up some exciting new construction progression jobs. These are similar to our Solstice project, as many of you have seen before, but each of these sites has their own unique requirements. Some of the projects are pretty straightforward, while others are going to be more than just a small challenge, and we'll talk about that over time. Each of the jobs also runs on a different timeline, so we'll wrap up in about a year on a couple, while a few others are going to be long-term projects that stretch over several years. Altogether, we're going to be managing 6 projects at once, so that's a lot to keep track of, but it's a good thing. As I've been setting up one of these first big projects, I have found myself leaning on the workflow management system that I've developed over the years. Honestly, I've gone back and looked at some of my own training materials because they're still so relevant to the work that I'm doing right now. If you're interested in learning how to plan and manage these kind of jobs, the courses I offer at ArizonaDroneClasses.com can give you an idea, a head start, and get you really going. In particular, several of the classes that I have been looking back at a lot, the full residential construction progression course, the drone job workflow course, the custom drone deliverable web pages for clients, and our Make Money with Your Drones class. That's what everybody wants to do, right? Well, you got many ways to do it. All of these are directly tied into what I'm using in my day-to-day workflows on these new jobs. Since we're kicking off multiple projects, a big focus for me right now is setting up each of the job sites correctly. So designating flight paths, planning autonomous missions, capturing video, generating 3D models, 360s, and more. As these jobs progress, I'll be sharing updates when I can here on YouTube, so be sure to be subscribed if you want to follow along. We'll also be continuing our conversation over on Patreon, where I can dive deeper into these projects with our community. If you'd like to see a behind-the-scenes access, you can find us at patreon.com/richcharpentier. In fact, just this last weekend, we were covering one of our new projects with our Patreon members on September 27th, so just a couple days ago. And we've left that video open for everybody to watch if you want to get a feel for what we do there. So that's it. That's the update for now. So azdrone.net's going to have a busy year ahead with multiple construction progression projects underway. And if you're interested in learning how to do this type of work yourself, check out our drone courses at ArizonaDroneClasses.com. That's ArizonaDroneClasses.com. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe this video and subscribe to the channel. Leave comments if you'd like. And if you've got questions about the type of workflows that we're doing for mapping or progression reporting, let us know here. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, everybody. Have a great one.